Greetings to everyone from Seth Tolaram Bafna Academy. I hope everybody is staying safe, happy, and healthy wherever you are. Um, I think what all of us are going through right now is pretty unprecedented in our lifetime. But I think it's a reset button, and hopefully, in the longer course, on a maybe 3 to 5 years down the line, we'll see that this was a pivotal moment. How we, as a human race, as a part of the society on a professional, personal basis, changed for the better. So while we go through these tough times, and I think a lot of us are impacted, but I think this is much required to just upgrade ourselves, upskill ourselves to um, become a better society, better as a human race. Um, One thing that will undergo a huge change and very dynamic change is the way corporates are. We are a digital business. I'm like, we were already at the cutting edge of how corporates needed to be. But even for us right now, the pace of change has been so immense that we are learning a lot of new lessons in terms of what we need to do to survive and thrive as we go into the new future. There are four things, according to me, which anyone who dreams of entering into a corporate and having a successful career needs to imbibe totally. And I'll quickly talk to you about those four. First is think digital. What the current situation has done is just fast tracked the need to be a digitally focused business very rapidly. It's not just about digital marketing, it's about digital as a matter of how you operate. Are your system digitized? I'm like, are you taking a lot of, are you replacing a lot of manual efforts and a lot of physical efforts through digital? Are your physical touch points going to be digitized and all? So take it from me, I think one thing that's definitely going to happen in a big way is that everything's going to be digitized very rapidly. So you need to be digitally oriented. So from an upskilling perspective, that's definitely one thing that you should be doing. The second thing is the love for data. And love for data doesn't mean that you need to be a champion at statistics or maths or calculus and all. No, it's just like how can you make really good business inferences from data analytics, business intelligence, and so on and so forth. Um, why is that so crucial? Because the world is changing rapidly, and any and every decision of yours will have a big impact on your company, for positive or for negative. I think data really helps you make the right decisions. So for me, data and analytics have been my biggest support system as I made like big decisions in the past 7 8 years as the chief marketing officer for OLX and now Cardeco. And I can't overemphasize the importance of being in love with data, being comfortable with data. So that's another thing I would impress upon you. These were hard skills that I spoke about. The other two are more about the softer skills in terms of being a good corporate professional. The first one is how scalable you are. Again, things are changing so rapidly that the skill set that you might have today won't be relevant in the next 3 to 4 years. Maybe it will be mechanized, maybe it will digitize, or maybe there's a younger person at lesser cost who can do that equally well. In that case, you will be redundant. So, I think one thing that everybody should be is to take this thought out that this is what I do and this is what I'm going to do for the next 40 years. Take this and throw it out of the window. What you need to do is to get in the habit of learning, unlearning, and relearning. Every 3 to 4 years, if you're not going to make yourself obsolete in terms of your skill set and relearn a new skill that'll give you another 3 to 4 year oxygen to be relevant in a fast moving environment, the chances of success will be slim. So be scalable in your thought process and push yourself to reskill yourself. The last thing I would like to impress upon you is be problem centric, not solution centric. As you start working in corporate, you realize that 90% of decisions are very easy for you to take because you've already done that or somebody has done that. So your automated answer to any problem would be, hey, let's do that. For me, that's not the right approach. I think what you guys should spend a lot of time in is understanding the problem properly through data, through research, through talking to people, through anecdotal points that you're getting. Just understand the problem properly, because then you might realize that the solution that you're proposing is entirely incorrect and there's a different and a better solution for that. Unfortunately, a lot of corporate professionals fall in this trap of just going really hard at the problem with the solution. I would rather say take a step back and understand the problem in its entirety and then solution. I think these four principles have held me in good stead in my professional experience of about 18 years, and I would like to share them with you. I hope you gain something from this advice, and again, I wish you all the very best as you go into professional careers or businesses as you want your career to shape the way you want it to be. And stay safe, happy, and healthy again, and take care of your loved ones. Take care. Bye.